Lomi amadi all its pensioner singdangasi Chief Minister N Virena Shelgi mating yanthokrai khungangi mafam singda semgat sagatpadagi mafam aduda leiriba laitalaira singda Shelgi mating pibana henna maru oi haina Chief Minister N Virena phongdokrai ngasi Chief Minister na Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region ge direct benefit transfer oina organic lomi lising tarik ka chamanga da sel oina lupa lising tarik ka chamanga yanthokhi go to village mission gi makhada Manipur all age pension scheme gi oina pensioner lising kunga chanipan kunthrom doida all age pension gi senfam yanthokhi Abung Mehtap Koba Lilong Kairaktage, Mioy Ama, Mafam Kangana Mankre Harry, Tom Divina Fanga Pauga, Mioy Asi, Gazia Batalaiba, Sundar Dev Group of Institution Dage, Hoki Patang Taretage, Tiva Kangana Lerakbani, Imumanungi Mioshingade, Mioy Asi, Crime Branch the Puki Benhaina, Maral Shirakli. Tasiki Tareki Ayupumangarum Tabamatamda, Bishnupur Ward number 8, Tiam Lekai Delevi, Laisram Ombi, Kundrakom Ningol, Vanita Lemana, Mahaki Yungi Bangolda, Yamna Chinganingai Obamongda Tori Yalaga Chiramba Togoki, Asumba Langa Langjel Atuba the Potopiduna, Maraleba Musing, Aingi Obamatic Saba than the Piu Haina, Mishisiga Marilena Semkiba, Zeshi against the brutal killing of Laisram Ombi, Kundrakom Ningol, Vanita Lemagi Convener, KH Rajena, Marilena Bashingi Puning Singsilakli. Northeast India Development Party NEIDP gi hojik Vice President Oiriva Hairok Social Worker Ningthojam Deten gi Lamjing Makhada ngasi Hairok Kendra gi polling station number 33/12 amasung 33/13 gi apunba yumthong satret henbada chana thanaba polamsing pateng pangkhrai hairiba mafam asidagi mioi khara COVID-19 positive oiba yaurokpadagi hojik containment zone oina lauthoktuna thamlibani Leibak Ashida Apaba Maheroi Putona Bahonavada, Rotary Club na Asobo Todang Loduna, Awang Nopok Lamdam Singh Amadi, Sikkim, West Bengal gi Saruk Yauna, Kangalaba, Oza Samapan ga Kuntaret ki Manungda, Manipur gi Oina, Kontongan bi Upper Primary School gi Headmaster in charge Oiriva, Tongam Ajit Kumar Dangasi, International Literacy Day ga Marilenana, Citation Case Award Amadi, Lenyan Fi Yanduna, Oza Sigi Mayumda, Rotary Club ki member Singh Satuna Ikai Kunaba Utuna, Shiksha Sanman Award Sinakre.